Welcome to the analysis world. In this video, I will show you how to do the paired sample t-test in SPSS. So here is a data set of 20 students and their anxiety scores before and after a psychological training. And we want to see that the means of anxiety before and anxiety after is statistically different or not via using the paired sample t-test. So in order to do it, we need to go to the analyze tab. Then from analyze tab, select compare means. From the compare means, select a paired sample t-test. Here select the paired variables which we want to analyze. In this case, anxiety before and anxiety after. If you have more than one pair, you can input it here also. Now from the options, see the confidence interval percentage. We can see that it is 95%, which is standard for our case. We'll leave it in that way. Select continue, click bootstrap. If you want to see bootstrap, and then check this checkbox, otherwise leave it blank. For this video, we'll leave it blank and click continue, and finally click OK. This will generate the results for the paired sample t-test. In the first table, we can see the sample statistics, the means for the two variables, the number of observations, standard deviations, and the correlations between the two variables. We can see that a correlation of 0.896, which is very high, with a significance value of less than 0.05. Finally, the paired samples t-test table, we can see that there is a mean, standard deviation, lower and upper values, a t-value of 11.88 and degree of freedom of 19. Finally, in the significance in two-tail value, we can see that the value is less than 0.05, meaning that the two means for the anxiety before and anxiety after variables are statistically different, indirectly meaning that the psychological training was really effective among the students. So this is how we can do the paired sample t-test in SPSS and interpret the results. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something new from this video. Please subscribe to my channel for another useful video. Thank you.